Hey folks, as a music producer or music lover, you know how challenging it can be to bring your ideas to life. You've got melodies in your head, but the tools to create them, complicated, time-consuming, and sometimes just overwhelming. Endless hours of tweaking instruments, struggling with plug-ins, and still not getting that sound you're aiming for. But what if you could skip all the frustration? What if you had an intelligent tool that could help you create music effortlessly, letting you focus on the creative process rather than the technicalities? Imagine if I could turn your ideas into professional-sounding tracks without the endless tweaking. That's where TAD AI comes in. TAD AI is designed specifically to help you create music faster and more efficiently. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, this tool generates high-quality music based on your inputs, whether you're looking for a particular genre, mood, or style. Without further ado, let's dive into Explore TAD AI. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. Go to Google and search TAD AI and press Enter. Click on the first link, which will direct you to homepage of TAD AI. TAD AI unleashes infinite music possibilities and allows you to create original songs with your choice of genres and moods using text prompts. You can create custom music within minutes, all of this without worrying about copyright infringement. You can choose from a diverse range of genres, including pop, rock, folk, or electronic, and select the mood that fits your project. TAD AI uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence to generate lyrics in just one click. Go to the top of the website and click Generate AI Songs for free. You can create song in just simple steps. First, enter song title, then lyrics of the song. Or you can generate the lyrics of the song using the built-in AI feature. Now I will enter song title. For the demo, I will write Nature of Whisper as title. You can write anything you want the title to be. I have pasted a pre-generated lyrics. You can also generate lyrics of your choice using the AI feature. Click on Create, and it will ask you to sign in or sign up to generate the song. I will sign up using my Google account. Now wait, as TAD AI will take some time to generate song for you. It has generated two versions of the same song. I will play the second song for the demo purpose. Let's listen to the song it has created.
The wind, it sighs through trees so high, dancing leaves beneath the sky. Mountains stand with ancient grace, rivers carve their winding trace. Whispers.
Now let's play the first version.
The wind, it sighs through trees so high, dancing leaves beneath the sky.
And compare both the songs. Using the Advanced Features option, you can select the genre and mood of the song of your choice. It offers multiple genres and mood to choose from. I will select folk as the genre and romantic as the mood of the song, and click on Create to generate two different versions of the same lyrics.
Dancing leaves beneath the sky, mountains stand with ancient grace, rivers carve their winding trace, whispers of the earth so wild and free, singing through the stars and the deep blue sea.
The second song.
The wind, it sighs through trees so high, dancing leaves beneath the sky. Mountains stand with ancient grace, rivers carve their winding trace.
Now click on the Share button, and you can copy the link and share it to any social platform of your choice. You can share the song on X formerly, Twitter, Facebook, and click on Download to save the song on your computer.
Mountains stand with ancient grace, rivers carve their winding trace.
The link to the website is provided in the description. Try it yourself, and let me know in the comment section how you have used this amazing tool. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get latest updates about AI tools and trends.